Hi. It's time to learn about tastes. Sweet, bitter, salty, bland, sour, spicy, plain, delicious, awful. Your turn. This is sweet, sweet. This is bitter, bitter. This is salty, salty. This is bland, bland. This is sour, sour. This is spicy, spicy. This is plain, plain. This is delicious, delicious. This is awful, awful. Let's review. How does it taste? Awful. How does it taste? Sour. How does it taste? Sweet. How does it taste? Delicious. How does it taste? Bitter. How does it taste? Plain. How does it taste? Bland. How does it taste? Spicy. How does it taste? Salty. Let's review. Lemon is sour. Burnt food is awful. Chili is spicy. Rice is plain. Chocolate is sweet. Cake and pizza are delicious. Boiled potatoes are bland. Salt is salty. Coffee is bitter. Last review. Sweet, bitter, salty, bland, sour, spicy, plain, delicious, awful. Good job.
Bye!